Hello, welcome to the Scale Model Club, and on this week's show, a Scale Model Club first. Airfix'S 1/72nd scale Westland Sea King HC4, the first helicopter.
Really great.
Hello, welcome to the Scale Model Club. As I said, on this week's show, we have Airfix'S 1/72nd scale Sea King. As you can see on the back of the box, it has the old Airfix Club advertisement. That's because this is quite an, well, it's not quite an old kit, but I bought it a long time ago because of that colour scheme. And because of that colour scheme, I've been a bit frightened to actually paint it myself. But let's give it a go. There's your Airfix flying hours if you're part of the club. And this side of the box has got a couple of nice pictures of the finished model unpainted. Same at the two ends. And like I said, I love that tiger stripe, but just haven't been confident enough to get away with it. So let's see what we get in the box. So standard Airfix black and white instructions. First page is a little bit of information about the Sea King itself. Always nice to have a background on the vehicle or the aircraft that you're actually building. We have some safety tips and obviously the diagram map there, just to let you know what each of the little symbols mean. Right, now on this particular model you can actually fit a motor to make the propellers spin, which I was actually going to do as well, but unfortunately I can't actually find the Airfix motor to fit in the cradle, so this is just going to be a static model. I might muck about with some electronics a little bit later on, but I was worried enough about painting this Commando camo theme. So this is the instructions that shows you which bits to cut out first. I like nice clear instructions, let you know where each bit goes and what bits are coloured in red that you've just fitted. Nice and clear. Don't know if I'll do it the same way as this, because obviously I'm got to sort this pattern out for this camo. So then two halves go together, bottom goes on. You've got a choice there with whether you can have the tail rotor bent over when it's in travelling or where it should be. You've also got a choice of having the doors open or closed. So lots of different configurations. Glass and the cockpit there. That's going to be a bit of masking. Then we have more decisions on tail rotors. I don't know an awful lot about helicopters, so I couldn't honestly tell you what any of the bits are. The slidey door can be open or shut. That also comes in clear, so you can put the machine gunner out the side. You can have the doors on the front open or shut. So quite a lot of options. Looks like a really nice kit. I'm really looking forward to actually building it. So here's your rotors. You can have those in two different configurations. You can actually have them all closed up as if it was being transported, or all open for active. And that's exactly the same as you can do with the tail rotor. So here it is. That's what's been holding me back from building this model, because that's the scheme I want to do. So it looks a lot nicer than the plain green. And also obviously that tells you where all your decals go and what all your colour codes are. And this last page is how the motor mounts in. So seeing as I haven't got the motor, we'll brass over that. But like I say, you cut the bottom out, so that's where the wires go. You put that motor in a little carrier and that glues on the inside. But like I said, I couldn't find that particular motor. So it's quite clever, it's nice. I like the fact that you've got this option to do it, but it's just a shame that Airfix have sort of discontinued the motor that goes in there, but never mind. Let's get back to seeing what else we get in the box. Nice instructions, clearly laid out. Big fan of Airfix. So here we have the decals. Not too many decals, to be fair. Nicely printed. Don't look too bad at all. Yeah, shouldn't cause a problem. Nice bit of mark fit on there, they'll sink right in. So thanks everybody for carrying on watching the videos. I know these have been a bit sporadic and there's been a long break between the videos, but there's a lot of stuff going on. COVID and all that, although I have had both my jabs now, so I've completed it. Right, so here we go. Let's have a look at these sprues. At first glance, they look really good. No flash at all. I think this is actually a new-ish mould, so they all come out quite nice. None of them are bent, none of them are warped. So, yeah, nice sprue that one. Second sprue's got all the seats. Now, my only real complaint about the seats is they could do with a little bit more detail. I suppose you don't see them. But obviously the seats that are opposite the doors could have a little bit of detail, but apart from that it's fine. Tail rotors look fine. Not 100% sure why you get two, haven't looked into that. So cockpit, there's the nice details on the bottom there, the bottom hull. So here we have the main event. No, there's no detail on the inside. Outside's pretty good. So we've got good panel lines, so that will look quite nice when that's painted. It's not warped or anything. It's nice plastic. Feels pretty clean. No flash. And a few more bits: cockpit, bottoms, wings, wheels, that kind of thing. But all nicely moulded, no flash. Really looking forward to building it. Should go together an absolute treat. I did have a quick look around YouTube on other videos like this one, and no one's actually, I couldn't find one on anybody doing the commando camo, so this could be a first for everyone. Here's the clear sprue. All pretty good, very clear, no marks. Really nice. It's a really nice model. I hope it does go together quite nicely. There'll be a bit of masking up here and there though. Don't know why they decided to have the doors as clear, but we'll see how we go. So that's the kit itself. Stay with me and look forward to the video of me actually building it, and then the horrendous case as me mucking up the camo and the paint job on it. But thanks everybody for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time.